Good day everybody, today we got this PORTER 2 model 2005 double cab intercooler engine. Let's take a look at the car, review it, show you everything, starting from showing you 360-degree view. We'll start here. As you can see, it's quite rusty. There's a lot of rust at the doors. The back here, the car is in a good condition. I mean, the engine is good, but the problem is the rust. It's very badly rusty. This side as well, you can see a lot of rust in here, same as the other side. As you can see, I'll open the doors for you so you can check it out. Let's start by this door. Wow, as you can see here, there's a lot of corrosion and rust. Check this door. This one is better. Let's go check the other side after we check this one. Look at this. Go check the other side. This one is also pretty bad. You can see here, quite rusty. Check this door. That's the hole here. Let's go check the engine. Alright, here I open the engine here. The engine looks and sounds fine. Try to open this one. No smoke or oil is coming out. Perfect condition. Now we're inside the car. Let's check out the car in here. Blow the key on. Lights are on. Okay. Start the engine right now. Lights are gone. Engine started very smoothly. Let's try to accelerate and show the RPMs. As you can see, the RPMs went out very smoothly. Let's try one more time. Perfect, everything looks fine. The engine sounds very good. We've got Windows control here. Perfect, let's try the other side. And this side. All works perfect. Let's try this side. Yeah, all perfect. Seats here, the clean. You see it as well. Everything looks good. Forget the trash over there. Yep. Okay, let's try the audio. Can't find any channels. It's a very far area from the city, so not many channels are here. Okay, this one is connected.
방문 시험입니다. 코로나19 확산 영향으로 작년 4월 이후에 일반 외국인 근로자의 도입 규모가 급격히 감소했고요. 방문 취업 검토도
Okay, so it's working perfectly. No problem at all. Let's try the AC. Okay, let's do this one here. Search for fan. Call, you can see. Okay, air is blowing. Let's wait until it gets cold. It's not getting cold yet. Let's wait a little bit more. AC is not working very fast because the air is still quite warm. Cold air is not coming. Maybe it takes time, maybe not, I'm not sure. Let's wait a little bit. But yeah, other than that, that's everything in the car. Cold air is not coming out, it's just warm air. That should be all for the review from inside the car.
Esta es busyman.kr, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. busyman.kr. El número de teléfono celular es +8210 7353 2398.
The review here of this Porter 2 double cab model 2005 intercooler engine. As you have seen, it has a lot of rust, but the engine is in a very good condition. The AC looks like it doesn't work, but it's not a big problem, it can be fixed easily. Other than that, everything is good. The car is quite clean from inside. So if you're interested in this car, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can reach us out at busyman.kr. Thanks for watching.
Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es busyman.kr. El número de teléfono es +8210 7353 2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.